Hi guys, this is Kelsey from Sweet Briar Farm. Welcome to our kitchen. Tonight for dinner we're gonna have fried quail. So Ivan, our 7-year-old, raised quail last summer. We've got them here. We're gonna soak them in a brine first though. So for a brine I have enough water to cover the quail. Then I add 1 cup of kosher salt, 1 cup of sugar. Then you stir it to mix. And then I'm just gonna soak the quails in the solution for about 2 hours. And we do it with our chickens when we rotisserie them, and it really helps make the meat juicy and tender and kind of that goodness that everybody associates with like a Costco rotisserie chicken.
Yep. I think do them one by one. All right, so Ivan's gonna put the quail into the brine.
That's a big one.
That's a big one. And we're gonna stick them in the refrigerator for right 4 to 6 hours, not 2 hours, like Kelsey said. So Ivan and I are gonna continue getting the quail ready. Take them out of the brine. Clean off any of the excess feathers. We do want to rinse that salt solution off. Cold water. Alright, we're going to use some potato starch and adobo seasoning as our dredge. So I got my potato starch here. Put some of the seasoning in here. Whisk this up. I'm going to cut these quail in half. Size comparison. This is one of our chicken wings from one of our homegrown chickens, and this is the quail, so they don't have a lot of meat on them. And now I'll put them back in the refrigerator until we're ready to fry them. We're going to be cooking the quail and the chicken wings in our homemade lard because I don't have any cooking oil. We're going to cook these at 325 for as long as we need to. And that's what they look like all cooked up.
What makes this so hard?
There's bones in it.
There's too many bones, probably.
Fried quail.
Fried quail.
Get the leg.
I don't know what I have.
Dad, get this leg off!
Tastes like chicken.
That's really good.
Mm-hmm.
I think it's better than chicken.
I agree.
So I'm gonna raise more quail next summer. What do you guys think?
No.
It was a mess. They were a mess.
They smell gross.
Yeah.
That's what they smell like.
All right. 2 thumbs up and fried quail. All right, final review of the potato starch chicken wings and quail. We've got some Buffalo Wild Wings honey barbecue and some Buffalo Wild Wings wild sauce and some ranch. So, Finn, you want to try one? No? So I really like the potato starch. It's
That's
like,
really good.
it doesn't burn like this is a chicken tender with panko breadcrumbs. It's not like it's burned, but it doesn't darken as quick, so
It almost
Smells
tastes like
rotten eggs.
it does not.
it almost tastes like crumbled up Lay's potato chips. Like they were ground really finely.
I guess, yeah. Guess it makes sense because it's potato starch.
Mm-hmm. I'd eat these again.
Yep, very good. I think cooking them in the lard makes a big difference too. It doesn't give you a bad oily after flavor like you can get with some oils.
I think the house smells better too.
True.
I hate the way frying smells, but I don't mind it as much when we use lard.
A piece of the chicken tender. Chicken tenders are the white meat's never very flavorful.
Is that what this is?
Yeah. Well, the wild sauce is pretty spicy. Ooh.
It's just temperature hot.
All right, well,
These are also very good.
we recommend trying potato starch. It's kind of hard to find ahead to order on Amazon, but very good.
Yeah, definitely worth the effort.
And the fried quail, 2 thumbs up as well.
Oh yeah, Quail is awesome. Thank you, Ivan.
All right, we'll see you next time.